Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine at home. As in my previous video, I have discussed the topic sentences, noun and its kind, and today I am going to describe the adjectives and its kind. So let's start with the definition. Before moving on adjectives, let us know about the actual meaning of adjective. Adjective means to add something. Here adding means you are going to describe a little more about the noun or a pronoun. If I say that my friend is Anjali, if I want to describe more about my friend, I can say that she is a pretty girl. Here the word pretty is just describing about the quality of my friend. If I talk more about my friend Anjali, I will add more about my friend. Okay. So adjectives are placed before noun or a pronoun. Second example you can take is I will make some tea for you. Here some is the adjective here and it describes the noun tea. So adjectives tell more about the kind, quantity, ownership of the noun or a pronoun they describe or modify. Some examples are given here. He wore black jacket. She is sitting in red car. Baby, she is sitting in red car. Baby drinks little milk. I have 5 friends. She has silky hairs. As I describe here, black shows the color of the jacket. Red also shows the color of the car. Little shows quantity of the milk. 5 shows the numbers of friends and silky shows the quality of hair. So all these are the describing words. These are adjectives. Okay. There are 7 kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, distributive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and the last one is possessive adjective. The first kind of adjective is adjective of quality. Adjectives of quality. These words express the kind, quality of a person, animal, place or thing. Example, dog is very faithful to his owner. Here the word faithful describes the quality of the dog. Adjectives of quantity. These words describe how much of a thing is meant. So they indicate the quantity of the noun or pronoun they describe. Examples are some, most, enough, any, all, much, little, etc. So they answer the question how much and they are used with uncountable noun. Here the example is Raja did not eat some rice. Rice is the uncountable noun and some is the example of adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of number. These words tell us how many persons or things are meant or in what order person or thing stand. So they answer the question how many or in what order. They are used with countable nouns. You have to keep the important thing in your mind that adjectives or numbers are used in countable noun and adjectives of quantity used with uncountable nouns. Okay. The example, there are 5 pictures in this box. Here 5 is just showing the number of pictures. So it will be the example of adjectives of number. Distributive adjective. These words point out that the objects named are to be taken separately. Some examples are each, every, etc. Every person in the room was happy. So every is the example of distributive adjective. Demonstrative adjective. These words point out which person or thing is named. Example, this book is mine. These apples are rotten. So they help in pointing out the thing or object named. So the examples of demonstrating adjectives are can be this, that, these, those, such, and certain. Interrogative adjective. These words are used with nouns like where, when, what, which, whose, etc. The main objective of these adjectives is to ask questions. Example, when shall you reach home? So, when will be the interrogative adjectives. Next is possessive adjective. These words show ownership or possessions. The possession adjectives are my, your, his, her, etc. are and their. Its, are and their. So, possessive adjectives shows possessions or belongings. So you can take example. His books are on the table. So where are the whose books are on the table? His books are on the table. Now I will teach degrees of compare adjectives in my next video, and till then you have to do some exercises in your book. So thank you for today.